When you're standing in the produce aisle picking out fruit, you may not think about taking a cantaloupe home, but you really should, because this humble melon is one of the healthiest and most versatile options in the supermarket. Most adults need to eat anywhere from 1 to 2 cups of fruit per day, and cantaloupe is a stellar choice. Not only is it chock full of water, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Science-backed reasons why you should eat cantaloupe. Vitamin C. 1 cup of diced cantaloupe will get you to about 95% of your daily intake, so if citrus fruit really isn't your thing, opt for some mellow melon instead. A cup of cantaloupe provides 65 milligrams of vitamin C, and the current dietary guidelines recommend that women get 65 milligrams of vitamin C per day, while men aim for 75 milligrams. Healthy eyes. Orange foods, like carrots, sweet potatoes, and you guessed it, cantaloupe, are high in beta-carotene. 2 antioxidants in particular, lutein and zeaxanthin, are produced when our bodies process beta-carotene. The combination of lutein and zeaxanthin helps reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. AMD is a condition that affects the retina and is characterized by extremely damaged and blurred vision. Antioxidants. Compounds that can prevent cell damage come in many different forms, but the notable one here is beta-carotene. Our bodies convert beta-carotene to vitamin A, which in the case of cantaloupe, gives the fruit its orange color. Diabetes. Cantaloupes have a low glycemic load score of 4. Low glycemic load means that your body digests it slowly and prevents a blood sugar spike, thus, it is great for people with diabetes. Constipation. Prevents constipation. A high level of dietary fiber is essential to promote bowel movements and digestive health. Fiber bulks up the stool and makes your bowel movement regular. Blood pressure. Regulates blood pressure. Cantaloupes are loaded with potassium. Potassium helps relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure. Arthritis. Adding a proper dose of cantaloupe to your diet can help you kill the pain and discomfort associated with arthritis. Thus, cantaloupe can be a tasty treat whether eaten alone or added to summer fruit salads. Besides being delicious, it provides various health and beauty benefits.